Hi guys, new Grow a Garden script free. Let's go and execute it. Link in the comments section. I'm just going to show it a bit. It would be much better if you try the script its very op. If you AFK overnight, it has auto-buy for seeds and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are almost 1K subscriber.